Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are good and fine. So whoever see this thumbnail and just clicked on this video, I hope you all crossed 1k subscribers. So first of all, congratulations for you all whoever crossed 1k subscribers. I have posted a video on how to enable community tab. The pop-up will be right here. If you still have not watched this video, you can just watch this video. At the end of the session, I'll be giving you again the pop-up on the screen and you can just access through link in the description box also. So coming to the topic, after posting up this video, I have got lots of mails and messages to my WhatsApp and Gmail. So the thing is that the main questions of these messages are, how can you post the thumbnail in the community tab? The main thing that I have recorded this video is I have got lots of mails and messages only about the same question, so that it would be easy to understand if I record this video. So without getting late, let's get into the phone screen recording. First, I'll show you the doubt that have raised by many people, so that go to your YouTube channel. So after going to your channel, you can just see the community tab option. Just click on that. I have posted many posts in my community tab. You can just see here. So what is the doubt that many people have raised is, I'll show you practically. Just click on camera option. So click on post now and select a post that you wanted to post in your community tab. And yes, I have selected one post. You can just see that it is not completely shown, right? I'm just trying to reposition it, but it is not totally fitting in that size. So I'll just show you once for practical understanding. So yes, I have posted. You can just see this, right? It is not completely shown and it is not clear to the audience also. If you post like this, you can just see the next post that I have did. So it is not good, so I'm just deleting it. So the thing you need is, you need to have Pixel Lab in your phone. So click on your Pixel Lab. After clicking on Pixel Lab, select one background color, whatever you want according to your wish. I'm selecting black color. So click on plus icon and select photo that you wanted to post in your community tab. And yes, I'm searching, yes, photos. Yeah, I got it. So after selecting your particular thumbnail, just click on tick mark, and now I am trying to adjust this thumbnail to the entire screen to fit. Yes, and now I'm adjusting it into the middle of the screen. Yes, it is done. And now you can just write whatever the text you want, that is about according to yourself. And now I'm writing a text here that posting on Premiere. So you can write whatever the text that you want according to your post. Okay, I am just showing you the example, that's it. Just click on OK. And yes, now I'm trying to just adjust this text to that post. And yes, and also you can have many other stickers and shapes also. I'm just clicking on a sticker. So I like this sticker personally. I am trying to insert it at the end of my post. And yes, after fitting it, yes, and you can just save that post into your gallery directly. Now click on save to gallery option. It is directly saved, and then it is saved. Come back to the screen again and open your YouTube and community tab. Just click on plus camera option, post, and now select the image that you have edited in Pixel Lab. Yes, you have selected it, right? See the difference. It is showing full, right? But before it is not shown. And you can write the text that you wanted to. I have written the text here. Yes, I will post it and you can just see the difference lively. Okay, yes, see, I have posted it and it is clear to all the people that what is the post is about, right? So this is what the doubt got by many people, and it is cleared. Okay, And yes, hope this video will definitely help you all. If you still have any doubts or suggestions to our channel, you can just comment us below or you can just mail us. The mail will be on the screen displaying right here. So you can just mail us at that. And that's it for this session. I hope you all like this video. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so you'll get all my notifications on.